Alright, so I welcome you back to our 1688 account, Frozen step-by-step tutorial on how you can contact 1688 customer support to unfreeze your account. So after a successful download and install Google Translate, you're going to have something like this. Then you change, this is the primary language and this is your secondary language to switch from one language to another. From our own case right here, we have to make sure we type in English while the Google Translate convert it into Chinese. So right here we need to click on here now and change this place to Chinese. So we have to look for Chinese. So right here, this is Chinese simplified. So we have to select on that. Okay, so now when we type in English language, it will automatically convert into Chinese character. For us to type, we have to click on here now to enter our text. So in this regard, we need to type in, please, I want to speak with customer support service. Okay, so this is what we need to type, and once we type, you can see that it has converted automatically to a Chinese. So what we're going to do next after we type, we have to click here to copy this text. Once you copy, then we go back to our 1688 customer support center. So right here, we paste the text right here. So I'm going to click on that and we paste the text. Once you paste the text, then you click here to send, the third one right here. So you have to click on that. Okay, you click on here to proceed. So after click on the third option, so it brings out another 4 options. So we have to click on here, 1688. So when we click on that, it brought out another 2 options, first and second. Okay, we have to select this first one right here, and it will proceed. So I'm going to click on the first option. So at this point here, so this simply means that this is not related to what we need. So, and we are not satisfied with the options presented to us. So tap on here, then it brings out another options right here. Okay, then the next thing you need to do is to click on here, this E option. Click on here to proceed. Alright, so you can see that it has bring out the option of chat with an agent now. This is where we are going. Now, one thing you need to be very sure here is that immediately you click on chat with an agent now, if any of the agents is available online, you will be connect immediately. And once you connect, make sure you state your information clearly. Okay, in this regard, what we need to say here is that, please, a friend of mine, this is a new account that you just open to chat with customer support to unblock or to unfreeze your 1688 account. Okay, so you just say, hello, please, a friend of my 1688 account or Tauba account got frozen. Please help me to unfreeze the account. So you will need to type this on your Google Translate. So before we click on chat with an agent now, let me take you to our my Google Translate. So we can just, okay, here's my translate. And one thing you need to also know is that you need to take note of the time you are talking to these particular people. You have to understand their time. So right here, we're going to type in, hello, please, a friend. Now you will now refer it to a friend of mine, 1688 account got frozen. Please help me to unfroze it because I have order on transit. And I need to continue shopping. Thanks. So this is just the message we need to type. Then you will now wait for the response of the customer support. So once you type, you just need to click here to copy the type. Okay, so I'm going to copy the type since I've already arranged it. Okay, and one more thing is that you need to make sure that you have the Tauba or 1688 number ID right here, because you will be asked to provide it. So I have it on my WhatsApp already. So this is the Tauba account. So you may be asked. So let's go back to our 1688 agent center. Alright, so at this point now, the next thing is to click on chat with an agent now. So we have know what we're going to say, and we click on chat with an agent now. So immediately you click on chat with an agent now, so you can see our agent will be shortly stuff like that, and there is one customer ahead of you. Thank you for your patience. If you wish to assist the chat queue, please press cancel. No, you don't need to do that. Just come to the type and paste your information. You can see you have been connected and send. Then you wait for the response from the customer support. So you can see we have been connected. Alright, so you can see an agent has been connected. Okay, so what they are trying to say is that this is what the response is. Let's translate. Hello, it is 1688 Buyer Business Service Specialist. 1688 kind of stuff like that. I'm happy to serve you. What can I help you with? So please. So you now paste the text again. Alright, so you can see it's reply. So let me translate what he's trying to say. So we cannot translate this. So we have to screenshot this page. So I'm going to screenshot. So you can see they were online. So this time around, I will have to go back to my Google Translate right here. And we'll go back home. Then we'll click on this camera icon. Then I'll click on import. So it's trying to scan, and I will just select this point here. And let's see. There's not meaningful stuff like here. So let me make use of my WeChat. So I will come to my WeChat here for a better translate. So you can use any translation that is much available to you. So let's quickly go back to our 1688. So in this regard, we need to attend to these people in time, because they are attending to so many people. So let's see. So you can see it's still asking us hello. Now, what we need to do here, we can just send a screenshot. Click on the send a picture. So they will understand more better. So we have to look for the picture. So we need to look for the picture. I'll select this picture here and send. Since you have not, continue the chat. So you can see. So we have to be very sure and fast that we are we do things faster. Okay, so I have sent a screenshot of the picture. So we need to respond to them fast. Okay, so let's go back to chat. So right here, they are still asking us, what do we want us to do for you? You know, language here is not really easy. So we just have to go back to our Google Translate again. And we type, please right here, please help me to unfreeze this account. Help me to unfreeze this 1688 account. Then we will now go to, so we will copy this, and then we will go to where we have our 16 our Taobao number. So I'll paste it here. Then we will have to select this, copy, and then we paste it to the body of the text here. Then we will select everything now. Select all, copy. Then we'll go back to our 1688 agents chart, and we will come back here and we paste and send. So let's wait for their response. So they have prepared us with another options right here. So I will quickly screenshot this page. Then I'll take it to my WeChat for proper translation. So remember, you need to be fast so that they don't disconnect you from chatting with them. So I'll go to scan. Then I'll select my translate. I'll browse the picture. So my WeChat is going to scan, and I will see what they are saying here. So put you through to a colleague who has access to help you. Okay, you can see what he's trying to say, that it will connect us with somebody that can help. So we now go back to my Google Translate. So we'll come back here and type in, okay, please, I appreciate. Copy. Then we'll go back to our 1688 chat box, so that this will make them understand that we are still much active chatting with them. We send. They're going to connect us back, so you can see more information are coming in. So I will have to screenshot this page again. So we have been connected with somebody that will help us to freeze the account now. So I will have to go back to my WeChat for a proper translation. So I want to see what this one is trying to say here. Dear, it is a pleasure to serve you. Please, to check the chat record to confirm your question, please wait a moment. So you can see. So you will now say, okay. You go back here and type in, okay, thank you. Just type okay, and this makes them understand that you are still very much active until they assist in what you are asking them to do. Okay, click and hold down here, paste what is trying to say here. So we can screenshot this page again. I think they are trying to redirect me back to another place. So we go to my WeChat. There you need to contact Taobao about the account login problem. You consult Taobao buyer hotline, Taobao sellers hotline, and Taobao buyer hotline. Okay, hard work. So let's go back and we continue with our chat. So we just tell them that, please, I'm not a Chinese. Help me to solve this problem here. I don't want to contact any agent. I've contacted them before and I cannot get the place. I need you to solve this problem for me here. I have contacted the Taobao customer service before with the phone number, but I'm not a Chinese. And I can't speak Chinese language. That is why I'm chatting you with you to help me out and solve this problem. Okay, so I'll copy it and we'll go back to my chat so it's become more active. Send. Then I'll go back to my type here and continue with whatever I'm typing. And I'll tell them that please, I will appreciate if you can connect me with Tauber chat room instead of giving me Tauber customer support, customer service number. Because I can't communicate in Chinese. I only use Google Translate. You need to let them know what you are facing. Translate to communicate in chat. Please help me out. Copy. Go back to your 1688 chat and click and hold down. Paste. Okay, so let's see what they are going to say. Alright, so they are giving me another instruction. So I'm going to screenshot this page and see what is going on. And I'll open it on my WeChat and translate it, trying to say here. Dear, very sorry, cannot transfer Tauber, you later close. The dialog with the second and they open this link to select the screenshot to contact the online artificial. So let's go back to here and let's check out on the screenshot.